Have you ever seen a concrete mixing plant manufacturer like this? Here, dozens of devices are shipped around the world every day. This is our screw feeding production workshop. This is our cement warehouse production workshop. This is the production workshop of our bedroom cement warehouse, and this is our unloading warehouse. This is our material production workshop, and this is our free base reserve price. This is our flake cement warehouse, easy to load containers. This is our machine tool workshop. We have a lot of products shipped all over the world every day. Do you have confidence in such a factory? Welcome to visit our factory.